Welcome in Energy Freedom TV. What we have here, it's a 4 blades for vertical axis machine. Right there is a mast. Right here is a generator. And what are we doing here is right now increased self-consumption system, but it might be off-grid at some stage. And we have 4 lithium batteries, 200 ampere hour each, 3 kilowatt Fronius solar inverter and 5 kilowatt Victron Multiplus inverter. And here is a 6 kilowatt wind inverter, and here is a wind rectifier controller, and here is a dump load. So here is the mast, originally designed for Skystream wind turbine. That's north. You can see Knocknarea and Bean Baldwin mountain there, or whatever it is. That's west, that's southwest. So it should be fine. Here is mast adapter because a flange for the top is slightly different. Mast foundation, gene pole, and a manual winch, using which one we should be able to erect this. That's a 10-meter pole. That's it for now. Well, generator is on the mast, and what I can say about the generator, if you look closely you can see a shiny permanent magnet there, and the story is permanent magnets are attached to this plate and to this plate. That's why this is called axial flux permanent magnet generator, because the direction of the flux is together with the axe. And what we have here in the horizon are the coils of the generator. And here is the output of the coils. So if I turn this, the voltage should appear here. If I short all of those 3 wires, that means all of 3 phases are shorted and the generator will stop. So hope you can see the magnets. There is plenty of them. 2, 4, 6. Well, let's count it as 1. 6. Whew, many. As you know, permanent magnets are expensive. That's why our wind turbines are getting expensive. Actually, sure, that's not the shiny part. The magnets are the sticking parts. It's very hard to see. But what can I do? Well, generator is connected, so I need to go there at the end of the cable and install brake. Now we test the brake and then we put the 2 blades on. Might be a bit dark, but that's our 3 phases coming from the generator, and at the bottom they are shorted. So now it's running. I'll be supplying rectifier from the top. Rectifier is just here, and Now stop, all three phases shorted. And as you can see, we have a December 2nd or 3rd. Brake is very strong, as this is not moving at all. Okay, that's 3 phases from the turbine. Stop switch, which is shorting all 3 wires, and then all those 3 phases goes here to wind input 1, 2, 3. This is rectified by the rectifier, which is here, and the capacitors are here to smooth that to the DC input of the inverter. And here is the dump load, which kicks in at 530 volt DC, which is high RPM. So here is our machine assembled. We're lucky with the sun, so it looks fantastic, as you can see. She's spinning already. You can stop. And make you few pictures. Ooh, we need sunglasses.
Yeah.
It's the last day without wind this year.
Yep.
Actually, last hours without wind.
Perfect timing. Hopefully.
Well,
Now we start getting the phone calls from the neighbours.
who can see this machine?
Over there.
Oh,
Over there.
you mean I'm getting a phone call? I want this.
Okay. Yeah.
So, December, I don't know, 5th, something like that. Here is our vertical axis machine, still on brake. I'm just getting the bolts tight, mast leveled. Earthing is important. Maybe in Ireland you don't have much lightning strikes, but tower should be earthed. Every step brings peace. And in this moment I'm gonna click here to Nanga Dream. That's where I was last winter at this time of the year, and 5 more winters like this. Well,
lecę chyba do Londynu, do tych Brytyjczyków synów. Matka Polka już nie karmi, nie mam za co żyć. 30 mnie przegania, a ja ciągle bez mieszkania. Dobrze, że lodówka pełna to rodziców gest.
Pamiętaj, pamiętaj, masz serce wolności. Pamiętaj, pamiętaj, nie kupi cię nikt.
Pamiętaj,
Masz serce wolności. Pamiętaj, pamiętaj, nie kupi cię nikt. Oh, if you listen carefully, you're able to hear the sound from the generator. That means the turbine is loaded now and is generating few watts. Turbine spins much faster now. Oh yes, she's generating now. Ooh. Not very windy, but it's chilly. Chill. Oh, now breeze I can feel. The response time. Pamiętaj, pamiętaj. Finally. Fully independent in this moment. Off grid. Not connected. With the option to connect. Weather is fantastic today. So we're gonna have a nice test with the turbine now also. Here we have also new VSN 300 card for ABB inverter, which is a wind inverter, 6 kilowatt wind inverter. Here is my new power curve for the wind turbine I'm uploading. So that's a voltage from the generator, and that's the power, inverter power. So we start at 200 volt DC and we slightly increasing power with the voltage. Voltage rises when RPM rises. So that's the story. Okay, let's get it running. So here is the beast. power today 1.5 kilowatt, peak power 2.7. So it's not as windy as I expected. 230 watts right now. Right, I'm going to stop the turbine now. Looks like it worked. Okay, brake is off now. Turbine is starting again. Inverter didn't kick in yet. She's spinning crazy high. And she starts generating now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Peak power 3.7 kilowatts. One kilowatt right now. Resistor was kicking in. Fronius is also giving something. So we're charging battery by 36 amps now. $57 amps. 58. That's a nice 1.5 kilowatt from Fronius, 1.3 from Wind Inverter, which is here. 55 amps. 60 amps, 69 amps, 3.9 kilowatt. Oh, that's crazy. Peak power 3.7. I've seen already 4 kilowatts. The inverter is not recording all peaks. The peaks has to stay for a few seconds, then he's recording it. Peak power today 4.6 kilowatt. That's even more than in Antarctica.
Is that right?
4.5 was max there. And the turbine is rated at 2.8.
2.8. That's at 12 meters per second, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grid voltage is going high. And we have new record right now. Where is the page? 4.7 peak power. That is mad. County Sligo, 23rd of December 2016, vertical Axis Wind Turbine, rated at 2.8 kilowatt, pumped 4.7 kilowatt of power 2 hours ago, and it's made in Poland. Time to go home.